Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. In this Topwater Bass Fishing episode, I'll be matching the hatch. I'm going to fish with the Megabass Giant Dog X and the LiveTarget BaitBall Popper. Let's see what happens. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo! Holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Look at that beast right there, baby. I think I won the tournament with that one right there. I am the one with this one. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to welcome you to the next fishing episode here. And we are definitely out here trying to make it happen. Trying to get some light out here, a little bit of light. Trying to make it happen out here. I'm going to be fishing with the LiveTarget BaitBall Popper and the Megabass Giant Dog X. So I'm going to be throwing those today. Those will be the top two topwater lures I throw. I might mix something else in here during this video. I'm not sure yet. But those are the two I'm going to start with and see what we can make happen. So I just want to say once again, I really appreciate everybody subscribing to the channel, staying connected to me here as I really work to grow the channel. I'm so happy that there are so many more subscribers now who have discovered me and they see that I'm throwing topwater and making it happen. So I really appreciate all my new subscribers, but I also appreciate those that were with me in the beginning when we were just trying to get this thing moving along. And now we've got some momentum, so I'm very excited about that. And we'll just keep on doing it. I'll keep on throwing that topwater and keep on making it happen. And then for those that are brand new, never heard of me before, just discovered this, please hit the subscribe button below. Also hit the bell notification so that you're updated anytime I drop a new video. So once again, go ahead, enjoy this video here, and always remember that phrase, keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's gonna be a big bite. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo. Oh, yeah. He is hooked. He is hooked. Come on up. Come on up. There we go. Come up out of that. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, everybody. Woo! Look at that one, everybody. Got him on that bait ball, on that popper bait ball right there by LiveTarget. That was nice. All right. All right, everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. We got this nice one right here on that LiveTarget bait ball popper. So we are looking good. So, all right then. So once again, we're just gonna keep on pressing on here, making it happen. But we got that one, we got this one. So on that topwater, all right. There we go. On the popper. Got you good. On the popper this morning, folks. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo! Slow, quiet bite, folks. Look at that one. Right there. On that popper. And that is all right there. That one was on, that one right there was on that popper that I got in that Florida Tackle Club box, man. So that's pretty cool, man. All right. Everybody's Topwater Johnny, and we got ourselves going here with this nice one right here on that bait ball popper by LiveTarget. So that's all right to get us started. Okay. There we go. There we go. On the popper again. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Woo! Another one on that popper. All right, now they're chasing those minnows. They're chasing those minnows, and he wanted that one right there. All right. All right. Once again, I got this little one right here, but he was popping that popper. He wanted it. All right. Oh. Man, missed that. I'm ready for that one. There we go. There we go. Came back for it. On that Megabass Giant Dog X. Good hit. All right. Yeah. Woo. Look at that, everybody. Got him good. Got him good. Want to show you on that giant Megabass Giant Dog X. He came back from under there and hit that one. So that was nice. And what I hope you saw me do there on that one, as you can see, he's not a very big fish, but what you saw me do there was hold for a second. I held for a second, then I pulled up, and that allowed me to set the hook better. Let's see here, oops, there we go. So there we go right there. All right, that Giant Dog, Megabass Giant Dog X, putting in work. Okay. There we go. There we go. Got him on a quiet drop. All right. Woo! Look at that, everybody. Look at that. All right. That's a surprise. That's a nice one, man. He inhaled it. That's a good sized bass right there. And as you can see, he decided to take that out of their mouth here. He decided to swallow that popper there a little bit. So he was committed to it. So that's nice. All right, everybody. That's a nice one right there. He sucked that one down. And this one's on its way definitely to becoming a bigger fish. All right. There we go. There we go. Right on the drop. Fixing my stuff. Woo! Oh, crap. I didn't get a chance to set the hook. I didn't get a chance to set the hook. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. As you see, I just missed that fish. He literally sucked it in, and by the time I realized he sucked it in and tried to set the hook on him, it was too late. And that goes back to I just wanted to tell everybody, that goes back to my little phrase about keep your line tight, because when they hit topwater lures, it could be a good bite. When I didn't get the line tight enough, fast enough, and he was able to eventually get free through a head shake. So once again, when you're doing that top water and you're pop, you got to tighten that line up, because if they hit it, you want to be able to set that hook on them and then hold there for a moment. And I just wasn't able to do that fast enough. So as always, you got to live your own truths, man. And I just wanted to tell everybody that real quick. So let's keep on going. All right. There we go. There we go. On top water, baby. On top water. Skiing him in. All right. Woo! He came off on them, but we got him. We got him, everybody. Woo! What do we get him on? We got him on the dog. Megabass's Dog X. That's what we got this one on. Okay. There we go. There we go. On the dog. On the giant X. There. There we go, everybody. Just so you can see him there. Everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. We got one more here. We got this one on that Megabass, that giant Dog X. They were chasing those minnows, and we got him on the top water. So all is good. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. I hope you enjoyed this session right here. We had a lot of action this one, boy. We had a lot of action with that LiveTarget BaitBall popper and the Megabass giant Dog X. So we had a really good time here, had a really good topwater session here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned some things there about having patience and waiting so that you can set the hook, even when it comes to treble hooks. So this session really was all about just getting out here and doing that top water. Right now is really about match the hatch. The bass are chasing minnows, so I wanted to make sure that I was doing something that reflected a minnow. So that, and then one lure was designed to pop slow, one was designed to move really fast. So I was trying to mimic what they are actually doing. So that's what it was all about today. So once again, please like, subscribe to the channel. For all my new subscribers, welcome once again. Glad you're with us here in this journey. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. If you're new, brand new, never heard of me before, please subscribe to the channel and just join us in this journey. So once again, this is Topwater Johnny saying that phrase, keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right.